They say everyone dies twice. Once when your heart stops beating, and once when your name is spoken for the last time. But what happens when technology refuses to let go? Across the world, a new kind of resurrection is beginning. People are using artificial intelligence to recreate the dead. Voices, faces, memories, rebuilt from the data they left behind. They call it the Digital Afterlife. Using AI, these systems can analyze messages, photos, and recordings to simulate the person who once existed. You can talk to them. They respond. They remember. Or at least, they seem to. Companies now offer the chance to live forever as an algorithm. Your voice can keep speaking. Your face can keep smiling, even after you're gone. To some, it's comfort. To others, it's horror. Because if your data can outlive you, what happens to the meaning of death itself? It starts with grief, but it ends with rebirth. This is Digital Afterlife, a world where death is optional and memory never fades.